Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can extend the time to the screen timeout here at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Yeah, we're having here the screen timeout, and if you want to extend it, just scroll down here at the battery symbol, then tap here on the symbol for the settings. Now you need to scroll down on the left side to the display. And on the right side you need to scroll down until you see the point screen timeout. Yeah. By default, it's 30 seconds, no? But if you want to extend it, don't take too much because the screen is taking a lot of energy here. So take at maximum 1 or 2 minutes. And what supports you as well, if you turn on this point here, keep screen on while viewing, because the camera here is then detecting your face and know when you are looking at the screen and when not. Okay, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.